Yo, what's up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm up packing. We're actually supposed to be leaving this hotel today to go to the... Yeah, we're supposed to be going to the Ningxia Autonomous Region, which from my understanding is a rural area that is self-governed in China. We're going there by train, so they said leave your big bag and your small bag. Everything sorted out right now so we can make that move. Apparently, we have a 10-hour train ride. We're gonna spend a week there, so by the time we finish our time there and get back here, it'll be like 2 days before we leave. Remember the stuff that I washed? Just trying to get everything that's left in this room just consolidated into just the bags. And can you believe they actually are making us have class today? So that's crazy. Yeah, so we're finally leaving where we were. And now we're on our 15-hour plus journey to Ningxia full bus. Hopefully it's better net over there than where we were. This is our whole crew. All of us are gonna take a 14-hour subway. 14? No, let's entertain them. Let's go.
Oh, you don't see comfortable. Oh. Yes. Ah, you like that, eh?
Alright, so I told you guys that, you know, we cause a scene when we're over here. I never wanted you guys to feel like we're exaggerating the situation right now. You can see it. See? Train time. Can't wait to get my seat. Can't wait to get all this load off my body. Can't wait to relax. Thank you. All right. Weird. What the hell does this mean? What? How this work?
Come, let me show you. Where? The numbers. Your seat number is this one.
4?
04, yeah.
So you go to 4 on this? This is crazy.
You 4?
F3?
Yeah.
Okay. It's too small. This shit tiny. I think it says 4. And here's 4. And there's a really high bung. There's a medium bung. There's a low bung. This is me inside here. It's my roomie right here. Hi. But most of the crew does not seem pleased with the bedding arrangements, especially considering you seem like a comfortable arrangement there. Let's tuck in here, roomie.
Does it end at 4?
So I must share with a man?
As no, I thought you get all 3.
You can't get all 3 bunks.
No, because everybody, it doesn't say like a 4A or a 4B or a 4C. It just have a 4. Paul finding out he's 4th sky.
What the hell is this?
I promise you, this is definitely one of the weirdest things I've ever done in life.
I'm not amazed.
Put a you found the seat, that's where the seat's at, man.
Oh, this is more than weird.
This space.
This is torture. What world am I supposed to do?
While I'm remaining positive, this is actually
a pretty lame scenario. Like there's 6 people to a closet space. No chance. No. People are not pleased. What?